Three, two, one. Here we are with another Friday night beer special, but it's really Sunday because we all have work off tomorrow. Yay. All right, let's see what we got. So, I just popped a brand new eyes farmhouse ale saison from Birds Fly South Brewery in South Carolina, I believe. Dude in South Carolina recommended it to me. He said, I think this brewery was like some old dude brewed awesome beers like, a million years ago, and then someone found his recipes and now they're starting to like do it and rebrew them. And I don't know, this like the label's pretty cool. It reminds me of something like friggin' like MTV or something. I don't know. All right, let's pour it. Oh shoot, I don't know if I can flip this. All right, we're gonna be in selfie mode the whole time. Here we go. Uh-oh, this is gonna be difficult. All right. Yeah. Oh yeah, perfect. All right, wait. Yep. All right, point it down a little bit. All right, let's get some equal porridge going on here. So it's pouring a pale, not quite straw, but pale yellow, pale white, pretty quickly dissipating head. Pretty lively, nothing too crazy as a saison. Obviously, we don't really have the best glassware here, but I know. I'm sorry, Ethan. No offense to your glassware, but we don't have those dank tulip glasses. I don't want to get all the yeasties in here, so I'll try to pour this last bit carefully. A little bit, a little cloudy. Okay. All right. Let's dish these bad boys out. Okay. One for you.
Thank you.
No problem. One for me. And one for Ethan. All right, let's see what we got here. Nothing too crazy on the nose. Yeah, I'm not really getting much of anything on the nose. Ooh, okay, so that's I'm not an expert with saisons, but it's good. Definitely got some yeasty esters there on the finish. It's, how'd you guys describe it?
Wouldn't. I can't.
Yeah, I'm having a hard time too. Jordan?
It's not like the previous one, which was like watered down orange juice.
Yeah, we popped a Grim Sour previously, and that was delicious. But this is good too, but we're total plebs.
It's definitely a saison.
Mm-hmm. Yes, it is very much a saison.
There might be. Is that funk?
Yeah,
funk in there?
Yeah. It's funk. It's not quite like the like wet hay. Like I'm licking the wood in a horse barn type funk, but more like it's almost a little citrusy on the nose. It's good. It's good. Yeah, we're total plebs with saison, but saisons, it's tasty. We'll continue and fill in our thoughts later. Cheers.